Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make sesame all soft tofu recipe. Hope you like it. Fried tofu with sesame all, a vegetarian dish that is full of fat and flavor. High in protein, low in calories, and super nutritious. Sesame all plus tofu equals calcium and iron supplement. A quick vegetarian dish in 5 minutes, so delicious that you will even drink up the soup. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: traditional tofu, shiitake mushrooms, ginger, red dates, goji berries. Wash and cut mushrooms into small pieces. The rich nutty aroma of sesame all infuses into the meaty texture of mushrooms, creating a savory depth where earthy umami fragrance. Red dates remove seeds and cut into small pieces. Red dates offer a sweet, sticky chewiness with a fruity aroma and subtle hints of caramelized honey. Sliced ginger. Adding ginger slices to sesame all braised tofu enhances its aroma. The spice of ginger neutralizes beaniness while highlighting the sesame oil's fragrance and boosts the dish's warming properties, making it perfect for cooler seasons. Traditional tofu cut into small cubes. Sesame all braised tofu is intensely aromatic. The silky tofu soaks up the nutty richness of sesame all and ginger's warmth with a tender, juicy texture and a hint of toasty depth. Stir-fry ginger slices with sesame all. Toasted sesame all releases an intense, nutty aroma with deeper roasted notes, adding a warm and robust flavor to dishes. The hot sesame all unlocks ginger's pungent warmth, blending its caramel-like sweetness with nutty depth for a richly layered aroma. A mild spicy kick mellows into sweetness, with the oil's richness softening ginger's bite, finishing with toasty notes and herbal depth. When the all surface is slightly turbulent but not smoking, add the shredded ginger immediately to avoid the bitter taste of sesame all caused by high temperature. Stir fry until the edges of the ginger are slightly curled and small bubbles appear on the surface. If it is left for more than 3 minutes, the ginger will easily burn and the sesame all will become bitter. Stir-fry the shiitake mushrooms over medium-high heat for 3 to 4 minutes until the edges are slightly charred and the surface is shiny. The aroma is strongest. The mushroom body shrinks, but the interior still retains juice, and the umami substances are fully released without being too dry. Add red dates and stir-fry together. Red dates are packed with iron, fiber, and antioxidants, offering seniors a natural way to combat anemia, aid digestion, and boost immunity all in a gentle, nourishing package. Add tofu. Add water at tofu level. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon mushroom powder. Cover the lid, simmer for 2 minutes to absorb flavor. Open the lid, stir a few times, and continue to simmer. Wow! Smells so good and looks appetizing. Tofu is ready to plate and serve. Garnish with goji berries to complete the dish. First, stir-fry the ginger slices with hot sesame all until the edges of the ginger are slightly burnt. Pour in hot water. The all temperature instantly stimulates the spicy aroma of ginger and the nutty mellowness of sesame, forming a complex aroma. After emulsification, sesame all forms a golden all film. It has the refreshing spicy feeling of ginger soup and the roundness of oil, which is rich but not greasy. The first taste is the warm and spicy taste of ginger. The burnt aroma of sesame all emerges in the middle, and the tail brings out a light sweetness. Ginger drives away cold and sweats, and sesame all moisturizes and protects the stomach. Drinking it in cold weather can warm the body without getting angry. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Sesame all and ginger form a golden combo for seniors. The oils, unsaturated fats, and vitamin E support vascular health and cognitive function, while gingerol boosts blood flow. Their synergy alleviates constipation and cold limbs. Try 5 milliliters all plus 3 ginger slices in soups daily for gentle nourishment. Shiitake mushrooms are a superfood for seniors, packed with polysaccharides and selenium to boost immunity and heart health, while their tender texture is easy to chew. Lightly stir-fried in sesame oil or simmered in soup, 3 to 4 servings weekly optimize benefits. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.